Last minute cancellation is a problem that we face a lot.
The teachers are not regular as well.
Recently the library is not good.
So I think that comes with being in a top tier college.
So how's the infrastructure of this college?
Infrastructure, I would say it's not that good because there have been certain instances that the roof of the library has fallen and even the canteen is not renovated.
There are some renovations that keep on going, but there are some lapses in the infrastructure that needs to be corrected by the authorities. So yeah, a 7 out of 10.
इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर यहाँ का ठीक है, लाइक ना भी कुछ बढ़िया नहीं
The
है.
library is pretty huge. There are 2 floors. And apart from that, if we speak about the infrastructure, studying during summers becomes pretty convenient because there are ACs in almost all rooms. So
I think the washrooms and all need improvement. Rest is fine only.
Infrastructure is available for everyone, but yeah, we need more rooms because fourth year has started, so it's getting congested for the fourth year as well and the third year as well.
Recently the library is not good.
Or if I talk about the overall teaching quality, so on the scale of 1 to 10, आप अपने teachers को कितना rate?
I would say 7 out of 10 because some teachers are like they will help us a lot in our subject, and some teachers are like they are usually just for they are getting the salary and for that they will just come here and teach us and then go.
Okay, so teachers, there are ups and downs. So there are some teachers who have very great subject knowledge. So they teach you subject in very brief details and they teach you exactly what. It's an ups and downs, so an average to 7 and 8 points.
I think teaching quality is pretty good. I would say around 9.
9.
Yeah.
7 out of 10.
7 out of 10.
depends on each year, but overall I guess 8, 8.5. Last minute cancellation is a problem that we face a lot.
The teachers are not regular as well.
Teachers are very good. I'll rate 9.5 out of 10.
9.5.
Some are 9, some are 10, even some are 11 out of 10.
कम नहीं है वैसे कोई भी.
नहीं, कोई कम नहीं है, सब एक से एक है.
यहाँ पर रैट रेस, एंजाइटी जैसी चीजें हैं कॉलेज लाइफ में, तो आपको क्या लगता है?
I think that is because people try to compare themselves with others. I think the only one you should try to compare yourself is with yourself only, and you should work on that.
So I think that comes with being in a top tier college. So you need to mentally prepare yourself before entering some college, and when you clear such a huge national level examination, then you are already prepared with such a mindset. So you have to keep up with the pace, otherwise people will step on you and go ahead.
One advice that you want to give to your juniors, how they can best utilize their college.
Prepare yourself for the CUET. Just get a good college and enjoy your life.
Go out there and do everything that you can.
Yeah, and don't compare yourself with others.